Welcome back. In today's lesson, we're going to focus on talking about your habits and your weekly schedule in French. That means learning how to say what you usually do, how often you do it, and how to describe your week using simple phrases. This kind of topic comes up all the time in daily conversations, and it's also very common in TEF and TCF oral exams, where they might ask about your weekly routine or your personal habits. In this lesson, we'll learn how to talk about your habits, how to use adverbs of frequency like always or sometimes, how to describe your weekly or daily schedule, how to answer personal questions about your routine with structure and confidence. Let's go over our goals for this module. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to describe your regular habits using present tense verbs. Use frequency words like toujours, parfois, and jamais. Talk about your weekly schedule, what you do on Monday, Tuesday, and so on. Structure your answers for the TEF-TCF oral section using real-life examples. Speak more naturally about your daily and weekly rhythm. We'll take this step by step. Just repeat after me, and feel free to pause as you go. Let's begin with some adverbs of frequency. These are words that tell us how often something happens. Repeat after me. Toujours, always, souvent, often, parfois, sometimes, rarement, rarely, jamais, never, tous les jours, every day, chaque semaine, each week, le weekend. On the weekend, we'll use these with the present tense to describe what you usually do. For example, je fais du sport souvent. Je regarde la télé le week-end. Je ne mange jamais de viande. Try using one of these with a verb you already know. For example, je lis souvent. Je voyage rarement. Je fais du yoga chaque semaine. Now let's talk about your weekly schedule. How to describe your week using days and activities. Here's an example. Le lundi, je travaille à la maison. Le mardi matin, j'ai cours de français. Le mercredi après-midi, je fais du sport avec mes amis. Le samedi, je vais au marché. Le dimanche, je me repose. This kind of sentence is simple, clear, and perfect for speaking practice. Try writing out your own version. Use real examples from your week. Here are some verbs you can use. Travailler, to work étudier, to study faire du sport, to do sport sortir, to go out cuisiner, to cook dormir, to sleep se reposer, to rest. Now try to create 3 to 4 sentences describing your typical week. Let's practice together. Answer these questions out loud. Qu'est-ce que tu fais souvent pendant la semaine? Tu fais du sport tous les jours? Quelles sont tes habitudes le matin? Que fais-tu le week-end? Pause here and try responding with full, simple sentences. For example, le matin, je me lève à 7 heures et je bois du café. Le soir, je regarde un film. Le dimanche, je ne travaille jamais. If you can, try to use at least one adverb of frequency in each answer. Now a few tips for the TF or TCF speaking section when they ask about habits or schedules. First, keep it structured. Use the days of the week to organize your answer. Second, use the adverbs we practiced to sound natural and fluent. Third, stay in the present tense. This module is about what you usually do, not the past or the future. And finally, don't try to say too much. A few clear sentences are better than one long, confusing one. That's it for this module. Now you can describe your habits and weekly schedule clearly in French. And that puts you one step closer to fluency and one step closer to passing your speaking exam. Great work, as always. Keep practicing out loud, and I'll see you in the next module.